Born under the bright Louisiana sun, Virginie Amélie Avignon Gautreau carried her Creole beauty from New Orleans to the glittering salons of Paris and straight into scandal. Her father had led a battalion of Creole soldiers in the Civil War before falling in battle. Her widowed mother took little Amélie to France, where she grew into the kind of woman who could stop a room cold. Then came 1884, and John Singer Sargent's portrait of Madame X. One fallen strap, one whisper too many, and Paris turned her name into gossip. The artist's career nearly ended. Hers never recovered. But time has a way of softening scandals. Today, that painting hangs in the Met, bold, defiant, and unforgettable, just like the woman who inspired it.